Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket Manhattan. I heartily recommend you already know how to do a first move Manhattan and a basket. Assuming you've got those in your repertoire, this is going to be quite easy. I'll put links to those clips in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them, you can, and it's going to be quick and easy to find them. So assuming you know that stuff, you're going to be ready for this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So obviously you need to be able to do Manhattan footwork, and that basically means that we're going to be going back on the right, weight back to the left, right just passes the foot, but only by kind of half a foot length. Then we do the same thing the other way, so we go left, forwards and back, and then it just repeats. Okay, so let's break it down. Semicircle back, 2 hands. We wrap into a basket. Obviously when we get to this point we all want to be feet together. Now weight to the left, guys, also brings the lady over to the left. You can take the hands down to the hip. As you bring the lady back on the right, we go back right too. We're already into the Manhattan, so we go back and forwards. Then the left goes forwards and back, and the right goes back and forwards, and the left goes forwards and back. You don't want to do this for too long because it will get boring. So my normal advice would be try and match something in the music, go as long as the thing happens in the music. From here we're going to go back as before, but now we're actually going to do the end of the basket. So guys, front foot to back, bring the lady around the corner. So there's your normal twist that you'd get in a standard basket, and then it's just normal basket ending. Turn, face, return and back. We'll give you the other view and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, back 3, replace 4, forwards 5, replace 6, back 7, replace 8, forwards 1, replace 2, back 2, round the corner 3, turning 4, facing 5, returning 6, and back 7. So let's do it. Here we go. All together. 5, 6, a basket Manhattan. We go a back, wrap, back and replace, forwards and replace, back and replace, forwards and replace, back round the corner, turn, face, return and back. And that's that. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful and good fun out on the dance floor. There's a music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice that too, something that's got a nice feel for that particular kind of move. Comes up in the last few seconds of the video in one of the windows. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell means you'll get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.